This typography mistake is literally flowing through your designs, and it's called river. Have you ever looked at your paragraph and noticed the line of white space running straight through? Those are the rivers. They happen when the spaces between the words accidentally aligns across the line, making your design look more messy and hard to read. Why rivers happen? They are most common in justified text, which forces both sides of the paragraph to line up, stretching the white space and causing those rivers to appear. Monospace and broad fonts or even repetitive long words can make it worse. Let's compare. Here is the justified text. See those rivers, and here is the left aligned. Much smoother, right? Here is how you can fix it. Use left or right aligned text instead of the justified. Adjust the word spacing and hyphenation setting. Try not to rely on narrow columns with justification. In InDesign or similar softwares, tweak paragraph settings for cleaner flow. I still remember first time I made this mistake. One of my client who was art director pointed that out to me, and after that I never made that mistake again, and I still check every day. Share a video if you find this was useful.